This is my my third night out in the woods. First night I didn't see a bear. Kicked one up on the way in to one of the stands, but didn't see anything while sitting. Last night had two small bears playing and fighting in front of us. Could have shot either of them, but they're just not big enough. So out here tonight, another stand. Looks like it's been hit really hard by a lot of bears. So actually, we came in here this afternoon, checked it, refilled everything, and since we came in, there's already been a bear on here. It's already a sign that it's been hit. So there's still lots there for it to hit some more. We'll see what happens. I just put a good shot on. Let's make a little noise. Oh, come on, bud, go down. I can't believe it. I didn't think I was gonna shoot him. Wasn't sure how big he was, because it's just, you don't see that many bears. And he comes in. We have some bait sitting out here in front of me. He skipped right past the bait. We're straight to the wind set. Straight to the wind set. Unbelievable. The donut shop stuff. He just came right to it, smelled it, sniffed around, went back to the backside. He turned around and walks back, sits down. It just gives me the perfect open up. He's sitting down a little bit, but opened up this whole backside. It was just like, oh, what a perfect spot. Just to get him in there. Yes. Looking forward to a good sit. Last time I sat here, I saw a number of bear, so I got Brad with me. Saskatchewan, Canada. Oh, I think I see a bear. Guys, check this out. Oh, that was amazing. Running with the wind scent, we have our donut shop scent out there. It's pumping up every minute, putting out nice plumes of vapor. Hopefully we can track down a bear tonight. It's a beautiful day here, actually. So hopefully we can get something done tonight. I just took a shot at a bear. That was the same one, I think, that came in. Oh, what a rush. If we close the deal, it'd be my first bear with a bow.